is busy today.
It is.
Well, we had a good time celebrating Jagger's birthday yesterday.
So much so that he didn't go to bed till 10.
Yeah, and he's whooped today.
And he does not want to wake up.
No.
So lots of naps today. And
Yeah.
just resting and all of that. And it's okay.
Yeah, it's all right.
Totally fine.
We gotta chill out.
Yeah.
No, it was a little bit of a rough week for him, and it's
Yeah.
exhausting being here.
He's not used to it.
So, yeah.
So, yeah, we're going to Magic Kingdom.
Yeah.
Your shoes untied.
Oh, I don't have shoes. He got me.
Yes. That was good.
Don't have shoelaces.
That was good. I was going to say, I was like, shoes sometimes. Ryan doesn't wear shoelaces. That's funny.
And I got it on camera. It might be a little wonky, but we kept it in there. So how are you feeling today?
I mean, I feel good. I never want to leave. It's our last full day. Actually, it's our last day, period. We're leaving really early tomorrow.
Yeah.
But good.
Yeah.
I'm good. I feel good. I'm excited. Magic Kingdom, then we're going to get Epcot.
Yeah.
Yeah. What about you?
I'm excited for everything today. We got to take advantage of the last day. Take some more photos.
Definitely.
Drink a lot of water. And enjoy the park. Hi, Jagger. How you doing? Probably hungry, huh?
Where are we going? Where are we going? Yeah. You ready? Taking the monorail? Yeah? Okay, good. We're gonna go see Mickey again.
Yeah?
Hi!
Say bye, mommy. Hi, mommy. Yeah. Yeah. Good boy. We're gonna go see Mickey. See Mickey. Mickey Mouse. Alright, we made it to the entrance of Magic Kingdom, right, Jagger? He's moving his legs. Alright, let's see if we can get the sign this time. Fail. Fail. Oh well.
Rubber bands are coming out.
Are they? We just fed Jagger real quick near where you meet Mickey.
Yeah. Right? Yeah, it's Rubber Dance. Sorry.
Nice.
Trying to see
He's much happier now.
in a much better mood.
He's holding on to his drink because he loves it. He won't.
I know, he drank it all.
He's upset. Yeah.
I didn't finish it, so he's not happy. Quick stop at the baby center.
Yep.
And then we have a Genie Plus for Splash Mountain. We're going to meet up with my parents and my aunt. See who wants to go on Splash Mountain. We'll either split it or someone will stay off with Jagger. We'll find out.
Yeah.
But what was it? I think it was yesterday. Yesterday was June 2nd. I think it was yesterday or the day before. I don't remember. They announced that in 2024 they're going to be switching Splash Mountain to Princess and the Frog.
Yep.
So, I mean, yeah, we're coming back before that, obviously, but we don't know when they're going to shut it down.
Yeah, you don't know.
Work on it, so we can get on at this trip. We'll get on at this trip. So.
Yeah, it looks like there's a parade too.
What?
Looks like there's a parade or something coming.
Yeah, they blocked it all off here. So let's get to the baby center quickly.
Yeah. All right, now we have left the baby center. It's not exciting in there, so you don't want to film.
shouldn't film in there anyway.
No.
No matter what. But it's really cute. Actually, this one's our favorite one. Magic Kingdom's our favorite one.
Yeah, it's really nice
But
in there.
they're all very convenient.
Yeah.
Especially for a baby like our baby.
Yeah.
Who does not like public restrooms. He does not like being changed in public restrooms. And he will catch the biggest fit if he is in a public restroom. So the baby centers are so helpful. It's very private. It's, you know, people use them, but it's we've never been in one where it was like super crowded.
No.
Right?
No.
So,
there was nobody in this time. Maybe one person.
Yeah, I mean, there's people like feeding their babies.
Yeah.
They have like, I think we've said this before, but they have bottle warmers, formula warmers.
Yeah.
And if you run out, we ran out of wipes once. So
Yeah.
we got a pack of wipes there. They have diapers. They have
Snacks.
clothes. Yeah.
By all means.
And they're very helpful because we couldn't figure out the sink. And it was just really sensitive, I guess.
It's an automatic sink and it has a sensor, but like the sensor wasn't going on. We were literally there for 5 minutes and we couldn't figure it out.
No.
Anyway, if you have a baby, use the baby centers, take advantage for sure.
Yeah.
So, we are stuck.
Please remain fully seated until a cast member is there to assist you. Thank you.
Stuck on Splash Mountain, but we finished. We got through the whole ride, and we're pretty much there. But the ride's being evacuated. Dad hasn't been on this since we were kids. Is it the same as you remember? Right, but is it the same as you remember? Yeah, it is, yeah. Except if we would have been on the And now we have to wait.
So how was Splash Mountain? What happened?
So at least we got to finish the ride. We got fully through it. Like literally like maybe 3 or 4 boats in front of me to get off the ride. Not even.
And you wanted to go on and enjoy it. We didn't film it.
Yeah.
I watched Jagger.
Yeah.
He fell asleep. And now he's cranks.
Yeah, and the ride broke down.
And we're going to be our guests.
Yes, we have lunch at Be Our Guest now.
It's been a few years since we've been there.
Yeah, I think actually the menu's changed. It's like prefix now, I think, right?
I think it was before we were vlogging too, right?
Yeah.
So
Yes, it wasn't prefix.
Yeah.
When we were there, and now it is. So
Well,
it's different.
yeah, slight overcast, but
It actually makes it a little cooler.
Be Our Guest is coming up. Jagger, will you be our guest? Do you think if I did the sword and the stone, I would be able to take out the sword?
No.
Why?
Because they like do it for the little kids. You don't
Wait,
have
what?
little kids.
They won't give. What do you mean they give it to little kids? You have to pull it out. You have strength.
No. Go away with that.
You mean
have
it's rigged?
Jagger. Maybe you can have Jagger.
Are you saying it's rigged?
Yes, I'm saying it's rigged.
You shatter my
Get over
dreams
it.
of ever pulling out the sword?
Yes, I am.
Because I thought I was going to be able to do it.
Go ahead, try. I want to watch you try.
There's like a button you hit or something in the bottom? Where it lets it loose?
No, maybe.
It's like a trick?
I've actually never seen it in person. I've never
Oh.
seen someone pull it out in person.
Alright, well, we're almost at Be Our Guest. Be our guest, be our guest. Put your service to the test.
That was our song when we cut our cake at our wedding.
Get the gray stuff, because it's good. And these things are freaky. Be our guest, be our guest. Let's eat. Jagger, be our guest. You like it?
He likes the mashed potatoes.
Yeah, it's good. What room are we in? The library, we think?
I think so.
You think? It's the library?
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You like that bread?
You want to bite on it?
He likes bread. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So what did you order?
I ordered the salad and the chicken.
Nice.
I almost want to open this up and give him some, but Okay, just want to bite it?
Bite it. I got the French onion soup and the chicken.
Jagger, who's that? Who is that?
Castle.
Yeah. Is that the
we're
Beast
having
Buddy?
great stuff.
Look at these desserts at Be Our Guest. And even Jagger got his own. So cute. Great stuff. And it's in the shape of Mickey. You want some, Jagger? You ready? Okay.
All right. We're in the crowd here. How was Be Our Guest? Delicious?
What's that?
How was Be Our Guest?
Very good, delicious.
Yeah. Yep, Kristen and the baby are ahead of us there, so we got the parade in front of us. We're following it out. Magic Kingdom, and we're off to go to Epcot next.
Okay, we're gonna make our own popcorn at the confectionery. So you pick your popcorn, you pick your syrup, and then you pick all the different toppings. This is cool. It's all good if you do, don't worry. Can I get butter, please? Yes. Dark chocolate, please.
Dark chocolate. Here, just a moment. It's dark chocolate is the thing that we have. Wait, you gotta hit that 57 like Heinz bar.
Yeah.
Alright. Feel it.
Can I get marshmallows and peanut butter M&Ms?
Peanut butter M&Ms
Yes.
and marshmallows. Here's our marshmallows. That's exactly what I like to get.
Really?
Alright, anything else for you?
That's it.
Mix it up for you.
Very cool. Yep.
Wanna go to Epcot? You wanna go to Epcot?
I know.
Hurry, 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 hurry. Weaving through Epcot.
Put your hands together and welcome to the stage